Welcome you to some higher level questions exploration from the topic periodic classification of elements. Mainly these questions are meant for IIT Advance. Okay. So let us start here. The correct statement for the graph drawn between atomic number of elements and first ionization potential of that elements. These questions have one or more than one correct option, so you should be careful while reading. Noble gases occupy the peak of the curve is true. Alkali metals are at the bottom of the curve. It is also true. Alkali metals are at the peak of the curve is wrong. Noble gases are at the bottom of the curve is wrong. Therefore, for this question, correct options are 1 and 2. Stability of ions, germanium, tin, lead will be in the order. These are 14th group elements. So, first option given is germanium plus 2 is less stable than Sn plus 2 is less stable than Pb plus 2 is true because of inert pair effect. Next. The Ge plus 4 is more stable than Sn plus 4 is more stable than Pb plus 4 is certainly correct again due to inert pair effect. Sn plus 4 is more stable than Sn plus 2. It is true because there is no inert pair effect for tin. Pb plus 2 is more stable than Pb plus 4 is again true because of again inert pair effect. So answer to this question is 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of the following statement is or correct? Tl plus 3 salts are oxidizing agents is true again because of inert pair effect, because the Tl is in the 13th group, boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Thallium has inert pair effect, so it dislikes to show plus 3 state due to inert pair effect. It shows plus 1 state preferably. Hence Tl plus 3 is a good oxidizing agent is true. Ga plus salts are reducing agents. Yes, boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Gallium has no inert pair effect, so it can happily show plus 3 state. So Ga plus can lose 2 electrons, hence it is a reducing agent. Pb plus 4 salts are better oxidizing agents is again true because it is a 14th group element, bottom element. Lead is having inert pair effect, hence Pb plus 4 is a good oxidizing agent. As plus 5 salts are oxidizing agents. Arsenic belongs to 15th group. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Arsenic is not in the bottom position. It does not have inert pair effect. Hence, As plus 5 salts are oxidizing agents is wrong. So, answer to question number 3 is 1, 2, 3 are correct options. Which of the following oxides are amphoteric? Amphoteric oxides are those which can react with acids as well as with bases. It is a question purely based on memory. Beryllium oxide, tin oxide, zinc oxide, aluminum oxide, all are amphoteric oxides. So answer is all 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct. Now looking at question number 5, assertion reason type. You would choose one if both assertion reason are true and the R is correct explanation to A. And you will choose 2 if both A and R true but R is not correct explanation of A. And A is true but R is false means you choose third option. Both A is false and R is true, then you can choose fourth option. So let us look at the question number 5 in this. The negative ion is always larger than its atom is true. As the number of electrons increase, the nuclear charge per electron is reduced. The correct option is 1 because A and R are correct and R is correct explanation to A. We are going to question number 6. Question number 6. The second ionization energy of oxygen is greater than that of nitrogen. The half-filled p orbitals cause greater stability. If you carefully look at, definitely A is correct, R is correct and R is correct explanation. So option to question number 6 is again 1. Shielding effect increases as we go down the group. True, as the number of shells in between are increasing. With an increase in the number of electrons in the penultimate shell, more is the shielding effect. So for obvious reasons, A and R are correct, R is correct explanation. Option is 1. Question number 8. Electron affinity of fluorine is less than that of chlorine. You see, you have to look at the absolute value and you have to look at the modulus value. And chlorine can accommodate an electron by utilizing vacant 3d orbitals. If you carefully look at, reason is correct but the assertion is not correctly supported by reason. The correct reason is the repulsion between the added electron and existing electrons in smaller fluorine atom is more. Hence, for 8 questions, second option A and R are correct, but R is not correct explanation. Ninth question, the second electron affinity of oxygen is endothermic, and reason is oxygen is the second highest electronegative element. Notice A is true, R is also true, but R is not correct explanation. Correct explanation is for any atom second electron affinity is endothermic because the added electrons repel each other. Next 10th question, beryllium and aluminum have similar properties and cation of beryllium and aluminum have same polarizing power. This is true and this is correct explanation due to diagonal relationship. So, reason for diagonal relationship has been correctly given and beryllium and aluminum have diagonal relationship. So, for 10 option 1 is correct. 11th question, the 11th question states assertion each d block series contains 10 elements is true and the maximum capacity of d orbitals is of 10 electrons as in each series d orbitals are gradually filled up. That is also true. All the 5d generate orbitals can take 5 into 2 10 electrons together. So there are 10 elements. So 11th question A and R are correct explanation. Question number 12. The first ionization energy of boron is less than that of beryllium. The penetration ability of S electrons is higher than that of p electrons. Therefore, if you carefully look at A and R are correct and R is correct explanation. 13. The second ionization energy of oxygen is greater than that of nitrogen. Reason the half-filled p orbitals cause greater stability for an atom. Notice A and R are correct because when you are removing second electron, O plus has a configuration like 1s to 2s to 2p x1 y1 z1. Hence, the A and R are correct and correct explanation. Question number 14. Assertion the second electron affinity of oxygen is exothermic. The reason is oxygen is the second highest electronegative element. I think we have encountered this question, and for this question, notice the second electron affinity of oxygen is exothermic is wrong. Oxygen is the second highest electronegative element is true. So answer to this question is fourth option. Assertion is wrong, reason is true. Question number 15. And Al2O3 dissolves in both NaOH and HCl. Metallic oxides generally dissolve in both strong acids and strong alkalis. Carefully if you watch, this assertion is true but reason is false. Metallic oxides generally dissolve only in acidic oxides. Therefore, for 15th question, the right option is 3. Assertion is true, reason is false. And thank you very much.